Lauer Charlier, how do you think the relationship is right now between the student body and student senate? What, if anything, do you plan to do to either continue the relationship or make it better?
Well, that's a really good question. I think that is something that is it's so difficult because we really, really want to reach out to different students and make the student body understand that we're here. But I think it's difficult in finding that one good way that works. And I don't think there is only one good way. Ray and I wrote a survey this year and sent it out to all students. And we had a relatively high response rate, which was wonderful. But the one thing that we learned, and the most important thing that I took away from it, is that students don't know what we do. And we need to change that. So that's something that Tim and I are really going to strive to do. We're going to change it through multiple different ways. We want to have our senators more interactive and engaged with other students. We want them to go out and talk to other students. So that's something we're going to work towards. And not only our senators, but ourselves. That's why we have the roundtables. That's why we go out and talk to other students. So that's
definitely with the email option too. Having a monthly email, students can opt in or not to get informed.
1 minute.
Yeah, I agree with some of what Tim and Meghan said, but I really don't see it as being that difficult of a process. I just see it as currently something that's not done and things that are not utilized. I do agree that it takes more than one approach, but right now, when I talk to people, and again, I'm somebody who I am face-to-face with people. I have met a lot of students on this campus, and I hear them saying that they have no idea what goes on in Student Senate. They see it as an elitist group. And one thing that I feel that Emily and I really have is our approachability and our passion. And students really respond to that. And I feel that it's important. They're not feeling that their voices are heard, and they're not feeling that they can approach us. And I think that that's one thing that Emily and I definitely have to offer, and that we will utilize every possible step to reach students.
30 seconds.
I think one thing that Meghan and I bring to this position that I don't think the other team can come close on is our involvement with different areas on the campus and different organizations and things that we're part of. So we can bring in a wide, diverse thought on things, such as I'm a member of the track and field team. We're both campus ambassadors. We give tours to everyone that come on campus. I was a member of Hall Council last year, in the Pre-Med Club. I'm a part of student faculty research. Meghan's an RA, so she deals with students all the time on the floor.
30 seconds.
I would like to rebut. I would just like to say I'm involved in 7 organizations on this campus. I will also be touring people this summer. And like I said, I'm sitting out tabling all the time.
And as far as being involved in things, I mean, I'm in the music program that's not represented here. I've been working with RHA, different organizations, and I think we've been making a genuine effort to get to those organizations that we don't always work with. We've been trying to get them involved in our events. We're trying to get them involved with the things we do because we want them to.
Thank you. Okay. Next question to the Mattheisen.